want
to be surprised and
enjoy eggplant, then make these super easy eggplant mille-feuille.
begin with one eggplant, or as many as you like. I'll demonstrate with one, but you can increase the amount later. Simply remove the stem, peel it, and then we're going to cut it. And here's the key to the whole thing. Into more or less uniform slices, not too thin. Make sure they're close to 0.8 or 1 centimeter thick. Once we have all the slices, we place them on parchment paper, on a tray, or on a silicone mat. We're going to leave them here, but with a little trick. For 15 or 20 minutes, we'll sprinkle salt on top. This will make them sweat a bit. In the meantime, let's try making an extra little sauce. Instead of using fried tomato directly, we're going to add plenty of basil, stir it, and that way we'll have a tomato sauce with basil. Mixed together in a flash, ultra fast, and it gives the recipe an extra touch. Once we have this ready and the time has passed, we take the eggplant slices and rinse them with water. Just like that, yes, exactly. To remove the salt and get rid of that excess moisture that was sweating out, like the liquid coming out. Once you've washed them, what you do is dry them, so place each one directly on a towel or some absorbent kitchen paper. And we're going to dry them and place them on a tray like before, or even better, on an oven rack covered with paper or silicone. Once you have it, let's start assembling. I'll add a bit of oil. Some skip it, but honestly, it turns out great. A few drops on each of the slices and you'll take it to the next level. The ultimate recipe. We place them in an oven preheated to 80 degrees Celsius, using heat from both the top and bottom. We place it in the lower middle position for about 15 minutes, or until you see that they start to brown. At that moment, we take them out of the oven and cover them with a thin layer of the tomato sauce we just mixed. Homemade fried tomato sauce is best, but any tomato sauce with basil works well. Put a little bit of tuna or bonito on top. Mackerel works too, but make sure it's well shredded and dry. If packed in oil, drain it. If in water, drain the liquid from the can. Once you have that, cover it with a layer of sliced cheese. Which one? Well, whichever you like best. I prefer a mild cow's cheese for this recipe, but feel free to use any kind you like. Have fun and enjoy yourself. Use the one you prefer or the one your family likes most. Top it off with a thin, even thinner layer of the same sauce as before, and that's it. After this, we go back to the oven. So once again, we open it and we're going to cook it for another 15 or 20 minutes until you see the cheese start to melt. Depending on the type of cheese, you might give it a little more time or a little less. Here, well, just wipe off the steam. You'll see this already looks amazing. All I have left to do is place the largest ones on the bottom, the medium ones in the middle, and the smallest ones on top.
Look at how amazing this looks with the crispy cheese on top. The tomato adds a fantastic touch. And above all, the eggplant, which you can see is just right as soon as you cut it. Delicious, really delicious. It's incredible. It almost tastes like pizza, and the freshness of the eggplant. A different combination that I hope you'll love. Since I'm here with you, tell me in the comments below, what's the recipe you make at home that never fails? Let me know where you're watching from, and together we'll explore the world with delicious recipes.